Let me now go across to Preeti Chaudhary, who's joining us from Ramleela Maidan. Preeti, what's the mood like over there? Electrifying.
Well, you're right there, Maha. You know what China was just saying that all promises or not, the people here are in a completely different mood, celebrating what most of them, when we were in midst of the crowd, what they were saying is that it is their win. It's not the coronation of Arvind Kejriwal. For them, it's the coronation of the common man, the symbolism of it. I also have with me Raghav Chadha from the Aam Aadmi Party. Raghav, for many of you, life's come a full circle. It was right here last year when you people were agitating, and today, somewhere down the line, did you even expect something like this?
Very true. This was the very ground from where we were dejected. We stepped out and we thought of incorporating a political organization to gain electoral success and then change the kind of politics. As they say, to change the rules of the game, you first have to win the game. So in that sense, I think it's a very historic day. The kind of atmosphere that all of us are seeing it, we were not there on 15th August 1947. But I'm sure I can now feel what sort of day that would have been. The coming down of the Union Jack, the hosting of the tricolor. And it's not just a win for a political organization. It's a victory for the common man.
How many people are you expecting, Raghav, behind you? There are already so many.
Yeah, so as per my estimate, there should be about 60, 70 or 1,000. But I spoke to one of the police officers outside. He said they're expecting close to 1 lakh people. It's huge.
Arvind Kejriwal, now from an Aam Aadmi, will also be a Sarkari Aadmi. Now, do you think he's going to change the government in a way that he said he would? What's the task cut out? 2 p.m. We'll tell our viewers, Arvind Kejriwal, right after he takes oath right here at Ramleela Maidan, he's holding his cabinet meet. He and his band of ministers, many of you call it the K-team, are going to go together. They're going to go to the cabinet and start work today. So, do you think he'll be able to deliver?
It's not the K-team, it's the A-team, the Aam Aadmi's team. And I think the word Sarkari has gained a lot of pessimism over the years. We hope to clean that. It's basic, sheer public service. And as far as the promises of the Aam Aadmi are concerned, they're very practical. They just need the right intent, the political will. And we will learn a lot of things over a period of time.
Feel bad, Raghav, at this point of time because, the likes of Kiran Bedi, who were here with you on the same dais last year, are not there today.
See, the likes of Kiran Bedi, the likes of Annaji, I mean, they're stalwarts, they're father figures for us. And we respect them, but yeah, we feel bad that they're not here with us today. But nonetheless, it's a historic day, and wherever they are, I'm sure they're appreciating this and, sending their good wishes.
Last question, Raghav. Many say you're pretty much in bed with the enemy here, the Congress, providing outside conditional support. When do you think those conditions will kick in? Because the kind of manifesto that you have, what Arvind wants to do in the first 15 days, put in an inquiry on Sheila Dikshit. Do you think conditions will kick in then?
We are with the Congress in a very unusual sort of scenario. We have never asked for the support. It's a minority government. It is, for us, it's an issue-based governance. Whoever is supporting us on those 18 issues can come with us. It's as simple as that. For us, it's the promises. It's the kind of things that we want to do. And it doesn't matter whether it's the Congress, the BJP or whoever. It's not an alliance. Let's understand this. It's not alliance. They are just giving outside support. They are not one of the cabinet ministers. They're not in governance. It's the Aam Aadmi Party who is in governance, and it can fall as per the will of the other elected representatives on the floor of the House.
All right, thank you, Raghav. Thank you there for joining us. Maha, we're going to throw it back to the studio, but 2 quick points there. 7th Chief Minister in the next hour and a half. Delhi will have also the second public ceremony that has ever taken place in National Capital when the Chief Minister had sworn in 1996. Chhatrasal Stadium, Sahib Singh Varma was one, and today we will see Arvind Kejriwal taking oath right here at the Ramleela Maidan. Signing off, of course, we'll keep coming back to you, Maha.